For me, I've learned a lot of things in terms of basic of marketing because I have no knowledge at all about this. And starting a business, it's like, you have to learn step by step. And as from my experience from this workshop, I felt that it's very well organized and it's also very easy to follow up, especially for someone who is me who has zero knowledge about marketing in terms of thesis wise, targeting the audience and all those marketing funnels and things like that.
来到这个 workshop 呢，我学到了 online marketing 打广告是真的很方便，你可以找到你要的顾客群，很精准的，可以很 direct 的直接找到你要的 customer。
I most like the topic is the landing page today because that the landing page and the website is totally different. As I know, after the workshop, only I know that take for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I can create for a landing page. Without the website, I also can do my business.
The part which triggered my interest the most was the case studies that's been shown during the workshop, where versus which marketing strategy and which another one. So from there, it actually made us guess which one will actually bring up the higher percentage. And sometimes from what I would guess, we'll never know, it actually turns out the other way answer. So from here, I learned that you have to actually keep on testing in order to get the right way of marketing strategy.
I believe that after I apply what I'm learned to my business, I think that I can get more business from after this.
I think I could actually apply this towards my business because since I said earlier, it's very easy to follow up, so I don't think I have much problem so far, but as we had jotted down a few things, it's really easy to understand and the steps shown is very in a way you can adapt to it, especially for the one who don't have any basic. It's actually very easy to follow and very easy to memorize the steps to actually apply this in our real business life.
Yes, after the digital marketing, I believe that I'm easy to do for the digital marketing in my business.
Yes, for me, since I do not know anything much about digital thing, but after going through that, I find it so much easier and it's not as complicated as what it seems to be. At the same time, I also feel like AdsHelper also designed this web page for us, basic business people to actually to make our marketing strategy even easier, make our job much more easier to apply it for our business after this.
我认识的这个 AdsHelper 真的是我的救星，它可以很方便的，它还有一些那些 template background 已经有很多，现在目前是好像有100多张吧，就很多设计很多 design， 即使你不是设计师，你不会 design 都好，可以讲说你不会用电脑也好，你会 click mouse 你都会用了这个 AdsHelper。
Yes, I think that the AdsHelper will help us to do for the digital marketing because it is quite easy after I learn it, and then the AdsHelper can help me to around 10 minutes I can do for my banner and the landing pages and so on.
I think AdsHelper is very useful for this marketing wise because it actually made life easier for people who actually just want to start up business, and it actually helped them to actually don't have to spend so much money, and it makes things so much easier in terms like there's not much technical side to it. Everything is very general. At the same time, it's very easy to use. Everything is ready for them to just apply. You don't have to do much work. You don't have to go on YouTube to see what's going on. From this workshop itself, I felt like I could get how things going already without asking further questions during the workshop itself.